I just had a bit of a scroll, but I need to get up and run an errand, so let's do that. I'm gonna be throwing on this long sleeve that I have from Halard, actually the built-in bra, which I love. Then there are pocket leggings with the cute little cross in the front, which is super flattering. So I just love this top. It is so smooth. It's like that perfect little top to throw on because it already has a built-in bra, so I don't like, it's just like no effort. Wearing a bra is just, it feels like so much work sometimes. Honestly, I just love pocket leggings for running errands because I really don't need to bring a bag with me, so. It's very quiet in my town right now. It's like really cold this morning. Target. I love this. Super cute. It's a good size. And it's spiral bound, which is my preference. It's got perforated pages. Decided to grab this one. I just love the orange color. It's kind of hard though because there's like a cheetah on this one, but I like this color better. I'm also gonna grab these pins. I have some super cute notebooks. Like, look how cute this one is. Even this one's adorable. So like I said, I ended up with this cute decomposition notebook. It's made with 100 post-consumer waste recycled pages, printed with soy ink. Is anyone else like kind of like particular about their journals? I like spiral bound because I like doing this. I find it way easier to write. And those other ones that are like a book bound on this side, it's just like, it's too tight to even like open them fully, and I find it kind of annoying when I'm trying to write. But I just love this pattern. I feel like adulthood really is like being picky about things you weren't really picky about before, but I love particular notebooks. This is just so beautiful. I love the pattern. And then look at the inside of this cover. How beautiful is this? So breakfast was good. I'm also just going to polish things off with a banana so I can get my fruit intake for the morning. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's a rest day, so an active rest day for me. I have yoga on my workout schedule, but I don't feel like doing it right now. Winter is the season of rest. It is the season of retreating into yourself and just staying in and not exerting too much energy. And because it's so cold and windy today, I'm just like really feeling that. This banana is delicious. What's your favorite fruit? I feel like mine is definitely mangoes, strawberries, and bananas. I feel like this year I'm really working on like honoring and listening to my body, and that's definitely something that I've talked about before in the past, but like really just listening to it. You know, we get stuck in these productive modes where, well, at least I do, speaking for myself, I just feel like I need to be productive every moment of every day, and if I'm not productive, I just feel like I wasted a day, and I just want to unsubscribe from that so badly, and I don't want to perpetuate it or be a part of it, and I don't want to continue to tell myself to have that rhetoric. So yesterday was one of those days, but also I will say I spent too much time on my phone yesterday. I can just feel it in my eyes, like when I've spent too much time on screens. So that was yesterday. So today I'm going to try to structure my time more when I am on my phone and on screens, just so that I'm not spending too much mindless time. I'm being productive with the time that I'm on there, and then also focusing on other things. Like I'm reading this book right now, so I can read a bit, relax. I had this book as well. I can do some work in my manifestation journal, which I actually got this for Christmas, which is just beautiful. I love the cover. And another book I'm reading right now is another book that I got for Christmas, is How to Listen, Hear, and Validate. Break through invisible barriers and transform your relationships. So these are some things I can do. On top of that, I could do work in my planner. You guys know I love my Silk and Sonder planner, so we'll see what the day takes me, you guys. I really want some tea or coffee right now. I'm leaning towards coffee, but I've been trying to have less coffee, but it just doesn't work because it's so cold and all I want is a latte. First world problems. With my green smoothie, I'm gonna have a bag of kettle corn. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. Okay, so this smoothie, I crushed it. It is so good. Just the ratio of greens and fruit is just really, really good, and it's a great way to get in fruit and some spinach, of course. I think the real key, honestly, I know it's sugary, is the orange juice, because you literally, it tastes so good. It doesn't taste green at all. And I had that with the popcorn, which I gave some to my sister, ate the rest. I'm gonna have dinner, probably try and have it within the next like 2 hours so I can break my fast very early. But otherwise, I'm just relaxing. I did a lot of work, as you guys saw, prepping and planning a video.